Most people think buying an SUV is a financial trap. High repairs, expensive insurance, and slow-motion depreciation that drains your bank account year after year. And honestly, for a lot of SUVs, that reputation is earned. But here's what almost nobody tells you. A small group of SUVs completely break that rule. These are the vehicles owners quietly drive for decades, racking up hundreds of thousands of miles while everyone else keeps trading in and starting over. In this video, we're breaking down 5 SUVs engineered to save you money, not just at purchase, but for the long haul. Lower repair costs, fewer surprises, and real-world reliability that goes way beyond the warranty period. We'll also expose when extended warranties actually protect you, and when they're just overpriced peace of mind. If you want an SUV that lasts, not one that bleeds you dry, stay with me. The number 1 pick might surprise you. Number 5. Lexus LX, basically a luxury bunker on wheels. Beneath the premium leather and upscale badge, it shares its DNA with the Toyota Land Cruiser, one of the most durable vehicles ever built. This platform is famous for going places most SUVs can't and surviving longer than most owners expect. We're talking 400,000 to 500,000 miles as a norm, with documented cases in Africa and the Middle East crossing 1 million miles. The LX takes that legendary toughness and layers it with comfort, tech, and refinement. Yes, fuel economy isn't its strength. Expect around 15 to 17 miles per gallon, but that's the price of near indestructible engineering. Compared to luxury rivals like the Mercedes G-Wagon, where repairs can easily run into the thousands, the LX is refreshingly low drama. Regular maintenance, oil changes, and it just keeps moving. And here's what really seals it. Depreciation barely touches it. Used Lexus LX models still sell for eye-watering prices because buyers know exactly what they're getting. A vehicle that may never need replacing. If your priorities are luxury, extreme longevity, and resale value, this SUV is about as bulletproof as it gets. Quick pause. If this breakdown is hitting, tap like. The next SUV completely rewrites what people think Japanese engineering can do. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. Sliding into the top 4 is the Mazda CX-5, and it proves you don't have to sacrifice reliability just to enjoy driving. Most compact SUVs feel like bland transportation pods, but the CX-5 actually feels engaging behind the wheel. The handling is sharp, the design is sporty, and with basic maintenance, many of these easily push past 200,000 miles. Here's a huge reason it holds up so well. Mazda skipped the CVT. Instead, the CX-5 uses a traditional 6-speed automatic, which is smoother, more durable, and far less expensive to repair long-term. That decision alone can save owners thousands over the life of the vehicle. Reliability data backs it up too. RepairPal rates the CX-5 at 4.5 out of 5, and owner reports consistently confirm it. Yes, the interior is slightly tighter than rivals like the RAV4 or CR-V, but that's the trade-off for a more upscale cabin and a noticeably better driving experience. From a money standpoint, it's a win as well. Resale values remain strong, and maintenance costs stay below average for the segment. If you want a compact SUV that's fun, dependable, and financially smart, the CX-5 earns its spot near the top. Number 3. Subaru Forester. Claiming the number 3 spot is the Subaru Forester, a compact SUV with a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Consumer Reports scored it an incredible 93 out of 100 for reliability, which is about as close to flawless as modern vehicles get. Now, let's talk about the CVT, because that's always the concern. Years ago, Subaru did have issues, but that chapter is closed. The updated CVT has proven solid, and with fluid changes every 30,000 miles, the Forester avoids the failures people still worry about. Do that, and this SUV is built to last. Real-world owners regularly drive Foresters well beyond 200,000 miles, and Subaru's loyal fan base keeps demand high. That translates into excellent resale value, often beating competitors from brands like Nissan or Ford when it's time to sell. On top of that, every Forester comes with standard all-wheel drive, earns strong safety scores, and delivers fuel economy that rivals, and sometimes beats, larger SUVs. When you combine reliability, low ownership costs, safety, and resale strength, the Forester isn't just dependable. It's one of the smartest SUV choices you can make. Number 2. Honda CR-V. Sitting at number 2 is the Honda CR-V, the SUV that finally pushed the Toyota RAV4 out of the top spot. After years of back and forth, the latest CR-V pulls ahead with sharper handling, stronger standard safety tech, and excellent efficiency, reaching around 30 miles per gallon combined. But here's the part that really grabs attention. Some early 2000s CR-Vs are still on the road today with close to 500,000 miles on the clock. That's hundreds of thousands of miles of daily driving, road trips, and real-world use without needing a major rebuild. Very few vehicles anywhere can claim that kind of longevity. Insurers love it too. With an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating, the CR-V often comes with lower insurance premiums than riskier competitors like the Jeep Cherokee or Ford Escape. That means real savings month after month, and when it's time to move on, resale value stays high. Honda's long-standing reputation for reliability keeps demand strong, protecting owners from heavy depreciation. In the end, the CR-V proves a key point. Practical doesn't have to be dull. It's efficient, safe, comfortable, and engineered to last for decades. Number 1. Honda HR-V. Taking the number 1 spot is the Honda HR-V, the smaller sibling to the CR-V that quietly delivers the same rock-solid dependability. Its size might be compact, but its reputation for reliability is anything but. Backed by Honda's proven engineering, owners regularly see 150,000 to 200,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. Because it's lighter and smaller than the CR-V, the HR-V also delivers excellent fuel economy, reaching up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway, while still earning Honda's strong safety ratings. That combination makes it especially attractive for daily commuting and long-term ownership. Insurance companies are fans as well. Lower repair costs after accidents help keep insurance premiums down, making the HR-V one of the most affordable SUVs to own over time. It may not be the most powerful option in the segment, but for everyday driving, weekend trips, and stress-free reliability, power isn't the point. And just like the CR-V, resale value remains strong. When it's time to upgrade, depreciation won't hit nearly as hard. That wraps up our list of SUVs you can truly trust, vehicles built to last, save money, and keep delivering year after year.